Tommylee has a bigger impact than any of your favorite artists upon the youth them, upon the generation of dancehall that we're hearing. From the last 4 years of hit songs of dancehall, Tommylee make them thing that happen. Man, them wasn't a talk about Pussyclot, Gozo, and Obia, and Darkness. That was Tommylee start that. It's not arguable. What style Alkaline ever start? Eh? Alkaline no bring nothing to the fucking game. Other than be a fuck hours. Eh? No. You think Alkaline is the first antisocial? Bro, look on Cartel, bro. Cartel kill all of them. Cartel murder his friends. What are you talking about? No, the Alkaline start antisocial. Alkaline not bust nobody. Cause him is weird. Him used to go Arden. Everybody will go Arden weird. Him is weird. He has autism. He never bust nobody. What impact him upon the culture? He never impact the culture, bro. What the fuck I talk about, bro? Alkaline did mad up the place as a youth still. Alkaline did mad up the place as a youth. That is fair.